Hey guys, so welcome back. This is WINDAC, and today I'm going to show you how to fix your computer screen. So right here, what you can see is that you have to check to see if it's the right size first. Then what you want to do is connect the cable that can transmit the video onto your screen. Now this is optional, but what you can do is put back the little tape that was on there to protect the cables that it doesn't, so that dust doesn't go inside the cable and break it. So right here, what you want to do is fit the screen onto the frame, and that is to ensure that the screen stays put and you can easily screw it into the computer back. So now here what you do is using a magnetized screwdriver, which is gonna get your life really easier, is you want to screw one after the other the screws to put the screen onto your computer. So now here I'm just making sure that the screws are on correctly. There might be some trouble with which screws go where, but an easy trick to do is if you're trying to fit a small screw into a big hole, it's going to be very loose. So try to figure out where your screws go first before screwing them in. So now here, what you want to do is take the tapes. Now this is optional, but you can take the tapes that was on your computer and put them back. Now again, this is just for extra protection to make sure that there are no dust particles going into your computer and breaking the connection to your screen. And also it stabilizes your screen to make it easier to put the frame back on. Now this step is really easy. All you have to do is make sure that it is facing the right way, your frame. But first what you want to do is take off the screen protector, that is the screen protector, is to make sure that in the transport it doesn't get bruised and cracked like you did with your old screen. So here you want to align it with the frame with the clips on your computer back, and then it's really easy. Just press down a little bit, not too hard, and it easily snaps back together, and it's really easy to do this at the beginning. But this is where your screws go, the two last screws that go, that is to secure your frame onto your computer. The clips can stay, but it's a better protection to have the screws behind. So all you have to do is screw them back on and you're pretty much done. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope this was very helpful and useful. Um, Come back anytime to change your computer screen again, but I doubt it will happen again. So remember to subscribe, and I'll see you next time with another computer/mobile tips and tricks. WINDAC out.